Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to add admin on Facebook page. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. First of all, open up Facebook app. After opening up Facebook app, you just have to tap on the top right corner of options button. After tapping on options button, here you have to just tap on the arrow icon and you have to tap on it. After tapping on it, here you guys can be able to see the list of all pages connected to your Facebook account. You just have to select the page in which you want to made an admin. So I'm selecting the second one. As you guys can see, my Facebook page has been opened. Now what you have to do is you just have to tap on top right corner of options button again, and here you have to tap on the professional dashboard. So after tapping on professional dashboard, you just have to here scroll down, and here you guys can be able to see an option which is page access. You just have to tap on it. After tapping on page access, you guys can be able to see there is an option which is first people with Facebook access. So you just have to tap on add new, which is right to it. So after tapping on add to it, tap on next. Search the name of admin which you want to use, or you can search him by email. Let's suppose I want to make him admin, and after selecting the profile, you should allow the full control in order to make admin. So just tap on it. So after toggling on, now just tap on give access. Here it will ask you for password. So after putting your password, tap on confirm, and Facebook will make him an admin of your Facebook page. So that's all for today guys. Hope you would like it. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.